In this video, you'll learn how to cancel a Microsoft Bookings meeting quickly and correctly so everyone involved is notified and your calendar stays up to date. We'll go through each step in a clear, simple way, and I'll add a few tips along the journey to help you avoid common mistakes. First, make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account and that you have access to Microsoft Bookings. You can usually get there through your Microsoft 365 apps or by going directly to the Bookings webpage if your organization uses it. Once you're in, you'll see a navigation area on the left side of the screen. To begin the cancellation process, look for the Calendar tab in the left sidebar. This is where all your scheduled appointments and meetings are displayed. Go ahead and click the Calendar tab. After a moment, your bookings calendar should load, showing your appointments laid out by day, week, or month, depending on your view settings. Now you need to locate the specific appointment you want to remove. Take a moment to scan through your calendar and find the exact meeting you intend to cancel. This could be a one-off appointment or part of a series. Be careful here and double check the date, time, and any details you see on the calendar entry so you don't accidentally cancel the wrong booking. Once you've found the correct meeting, click on that specific appointment. A small window or details panel will open, showing information about the booking, such as the service name, the date and time, and the customer or attendee details. This is your chance to quickly review everything one more time. If everything looks correct and this is definitely the meeting you want to cancel, you're ready for the next step. Inside this appointment details window, look for the option to cancel. This might appear as a button or link labeled cancel. Go ahead and select cancel. When you do this, Microsoft Bookings prepares to remove the appointment from the system. At this stage, the booking is not just disappearing from your calendar, it's also being marked as cancelled in the booking records. After you choose to cancel, you'll usually be prompted to send a cancellation email. This step is important because it lets your customer or attendees know that the meeting will no longer take place. Choose the option to send the cancellation email. Depending on your setup, you might see a text box where you can add a short message. It's a good idea to include a brief, clear note, such as a simple explanation or an offer to reschedule, to maintain good communication and avoid confusion. Once you confirm and send the cancellation email, Microsoft Bookings will remove the appointment from your calendar and from the attendee's confirmation, and the cancellation notice will be delivered to their inbox. Take a moment to glance at your calendar again and make sure the meeting is no longer showing at that date and time. If it's gone, the cancellation is complete. That's all you need to do. By clicking the calendar tab, selecting the correct appointment, choosing cancel, and sending the cancellation email, you ensure your schedule stays accurate and everyone is properly informed about the change.